Hi everybody, my name is Kadee Brown. I am 22 years old from Onalaska, Wisconsin, and I have been a licensed nail tech for 4 years. When I went to nail school, I had the absolute honor of receiving the Beauty Changes Lives Tippi Hedren Nail Scholarship. And that was something that when I got the phone call, I was every emotion in the book. I was happy, elated, excited, and determined. And I was determined to make my mark on the nail industry. And I have been working hard towards that goal ever since. And even before that, I have had a YouTube channel for 6 years that is dedicated towards nail art. And it's something that I am constantly challenging myself through that to create nail designs and nail ideas that are different and bold and crazy and things that I've never seen before. And it's something that I would love to continue that and continue to create things that are new and different and exciting through Nail's Next Top Nail Artist. I am looking forward to the challenge of the competition. I'm looking forward to just the whole thing of it. I'm just so excited to be part of this, and it's something that I have been dreaming of for a very long time, and this is my time. That I was thinking back and I was thinking about when I received that phone call for my scholarship and thinking about the fact that I had this moment of this is what I am made to do. And I believe that this is my time to make that mark that I dreamed of back then. This is my time to create something that you guys are just going to be blown away by. And I know that if you give me the opportunity, you will see that I can. I have been doing things that are new and exciting and creative, and it's something that is just so ingrained in me to be constantly thinking of these things and challenging myself. So that's a big part of why I think that I'm a great candidate for Nail's Next Top Nail Artist. Through YouTube, I've been giving myself these challenges that are insane, these ideas that I get in my head that you wouldn't think would be possible to do on nails. I have executed and I have made possible. And I think that's my favorite thing about nails just in general, is that you have a tiny canvas to create these huge ideas. And I have huge ideas and I have the little canvas, so I'm so excited to share that with everybody and to share that with you. So I'm just over the moon that this competition not only exists, but that I have the chance to be a part of it. But the real question is, do you guys think that I am a good candidate for Nail's Next Top Nail Artist? Because if I think I am, that's great, but it's if you guys do. And I think that I would love to prove to you that I am Nail's Next Top Nail Artist. I am dedicated, I am confident, I have the time management skills that I have been honing through my YouTube channel for years, and I have a bundle of inspiration who is continually showing me new things and new ideas in my 1-year-old daughter. She is a crazy little light in my life, and I dedicate so much effort into both her and my nail art and art in general. They're my two passions, and I work my butt off for both every single day. And I would love to continue that drive and that devotion through Nail's Next Top Nail Artist. So if you guys are willing, please give me a shot. I would love that more than you can even imagine. I am waiting for the phone call, and I will see you soon. Bye!